If the Shortcuts app on your iPhone keeps crashing, it can be frustrating, especially if you're relying on the app for automating tasks. This issue may arise due to several reasons, such as low storage, software bugs, or a corrupted app file. Here is a more comprehensive guide to fixing this issue. Solution 1. Free up storage space. Check available storage. For that, open Settings, scroll down, tap General, then select iPhone storage. Look at the available space. If your storage is nearly full, it could cause apps like Shortcuts to crash. To free up space, delete unnecessary apps, old photos, or large files. After clearing the space, reopen the Shortcuts app to see if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Restart the Shortcuts app. Open the app switcher by swiping it up from the bottom of the screen. Locate the Shortcuts app and swipe it up to force it close. Reopen the app after a few seconds to check if the issue persists. Restart your iPhone to give it a fresh start. Solution 3. Offload the Shortcuts app to clear corrupted data. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, and find Shortcuts in the list of apps. Tap Offload App. This clears the app's cache and data without deleting the app itself. Tap Reinstall App to reinstall a fresh version of the app. Solution 4. Update iOS. Go to Settings and tap General. Tap Software Update to check if there is a newer iOS version available. Download and install any available updates. After updating, open the Shortcuts app to see if the crashing issue is resolved. Older iOS versions can often have bugs that cause apps to crash. Solution 5. Disable low power mode. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Battery. If low power mode is enabled, turn it off. Low power mode can restrict certain background processes, which might be causing the Shortcuts app to crash. Solution 6. Re-enable background app refresh. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Background App Refresh, and ensure it's turned on for Shortcuts. Background App Refresh allows the app to run smoothly even when it's not actively being used. Following these steps, you should be able to fix the Shortcuts app crashing issues on your iPhone. Make sure to clear storage space, keep your iOS updated, and manage any conflicting automations that may disrupt the app's functionality. If the issue persists, contact Apple support for further assistance.